Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Easy Anti-Cheat not opening on PC. This issue usually happens when Easy Anti-Cheat is blocked by Windows settings or its service isn't running correctly. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to fix the problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, you need to locate the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. In this example, I'm using Epic Games and Fortnite, but the steps are similar for other games. Open the Epic Games launcher. Go to your library, find Fortnite, click the three dots and select Manage. Click Open Install Location. Now open the Fortnite folder, then Binaries, then Win64. Inside this folder, locate and open the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Right-click on the Easy Anti-Cheat application and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 2. If Easy Anti-Cheat still doesn't open, go to the Start menu and type Services, then open it. Scroll down and look for Easy Anti-Cheat Service. Right-click it and select Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic. If the service is not running, click Start. Click Apply, then OK. Next, locate Epic Games Online Services. Open its properties, and also make sure the startup type is set to Automatic. Apply the changes and close the window. Restart your PC. After Windows boots back up, launch your game again and Easy Anti-Cheat should now open and work correctly. And that's it. If this video helped you fix Easy Anti-Cheat not opening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.